Jacob has been this week. Apart from, you know, looking after the baby every night. And
sorry?
son, do you know what I think the low point for Jacob has been this week?
Yeah.
Apart from looking after our son who's had a tummy bug, and our
dear.
daughter has had some sort of fascial failure breakdown on Wednesday
goodness.
from Boxing Day, and our baby who wakes up all night.
What was that?
I promise you it was not me.
I think it was when I realized that the children are going to spend a birthday celebration with the dad this weekend, and I hadn't put it for my ex-husband.
Tanya, what are you doing?
What is that? Where is it?
Someone farting?
No?
Yes, Tanya.
No.
Oh my lord.
You did not.
I'm dying. I'm
Oh my
sorry.
god.
It's so exciting you doing that. I do not fart like that. I can't fart the same.
There it is,
exact way.
guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I was just playing with you.
I figured.
Oh, what's it? Ah, it's you.
It's you now.
I love it. Thank you, driver. This is
All
the
right.
highlight of
Have a
the
good
day.
night.
Thank you.
Huh?
Have a good night.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye.
Lovely.
Oh, oh, oh. Yes. Oh, my God.